and welcome. So it's been a little bit of a while since I've come on and done a video. We've had a little bit of illness in the family, so I'm just coming on now to catch up really with some things that I've been doing and working on. And yeah, so I'm going to start off today's video with doing a bit of a show and tell. So I recently got some more dies, and you know, I love the dies, and these dies were from KSCraft and they were their new release for March. So I was like, wow, already. And as you know, I do like KSCraft dies, and from the feedback from the last video that I'd done, I have been actually making them up. I actually made them up as soon as I got the dies, so I was really proud of myself. So literally using my stash as soon as they arrived. So yeah, I can come on and show you. So let me get on with that first. So the first one is this this die here. It is a little envelope die. There's 3 different sizes and I chose the little one, and I just made these 3 little envelopes. I actually used my puppy love I think it is, paper for this, because with this one you get 3 different sentiments that you can letterpress. So I've learned something from Hillary's Pink Bubble Cards challenges, but it also comes with these paw prints that you can actually stamp into the card itself. So I thought that was really cute little thing to add on. So I decided to do that on all 3, but it is optional, so you could just have it plain, and then letterpressed into there is the word Happy Mail, and it just makes these cute little envelopes. So that's why I decided to go for the smallest one, because I thought it was just a cute size. And then I just carried on doing the same, and then just to show the different letterpress, this one says important, and then this one says look inside. And I think there's different stamps you get here and different words, I think, on the different sizes, but I will link KSCraft's store on AliExpress in the description box below, so if you wanted to take a look you could. So that was the first one. The next one is this absolutely adorable bunny. So this was the bunny dice. There's not that many pieces to it, but it is a case of just layering it all up, and I couldn't resist. This tiny little bunny just sat down. It's so cute. And then I actually saw that it just fits perfectly inside this envelope as well. So how cute and adorable would that be for making embellishments? But yeah, I just love it. I love the cute little details. And what's nice as well is that on the die, it actually has it embossed where to put the face, the eyes, the nose and stuff. So it was really good for that. And I used my glue pen, my roll ball glue pen as well for sticking that on, and I did not get as much mess as I normally do. Then the next one, and this was like, oh my gosh, I don't know why I've always dreamt of this, but I have. It's this bubble bath die, and it's a shaker as well, so I had to make it up as a shaker. So you do get all of the pieces. I think I used all of them. And so you get like the taps here. Maybe I might not bother using the taps, and these like are additional extras. You don't have to have these fancy feet to the bath either. But yeah, I absolutely love it, and I love the bubbles. Just imagine a sentiment, staying relaxed. You can gift like a spa gift voucher or something to a friend. I just don't know. I don't know why I'm into like just weird things like baths and ovens and stuff, dies. Just the most randomest things, but I just think they're just so adorable, and they just make some of the cutest things. I've actually got some of Leslie's sprinkle mix in there. I don't know if you can see the stars and the balls, lovely colours. So yeah, absolutely gorgeous. The next one was a add-on. So the this is all the add-on pieces here, so you get quite a lot of different elements here. I don't know what happened, but in my getting everything out, I managed to lose one of the pieces already. I can't believe it. So here we have like a small present that is missing because I've lost the outside layer of the to make this part, so I haven't got it. I don't know where it's gone. Hopefully it'll eventually turn up. I'm sure it's just slid under something, but I'll be honest, I haven't tied it up yet, so maybe it'll be around somewhere. But this is the car die. So I have showed this die off, and well, currently not selling anything at the minute. Another story. But this car die I have shown several times. It makes up like all different elements, but this one's called the party add-on. So it comes with this party banner, the party number plates, the presents in the 3 sizes, this massive party balloon, which I had so much fun piecing, and I actually used some foam just to give it a little bit of dimension as well. And then it comes with 2 different types of balloon types, and I did 3 because it comes with 3 different string types, which is a bit random, but yeah, you could add as many as you wanted, I guess. But yeah, I absolutely love these add-ons. They just turn in you know, a standard die, this car die, into all different elements. So I really love that one, and I did use a party doodlebug collection for that. I can't remember the name. And then I have this bunny memory decks. Oh my gosh. So this is actually about, so I had done a Easter swap, which is already made and boxed up and being sent out. So I didn't get a chance to make this as the memory deck, so I had to use a different die for the memory decks. But one of the features was a memory decks, and I just absolutely love this bunny. And it comes with the words as well. It says Hoppy Easter instead of Happy Easter. But yeah, I just absolutely love it. And I actually put the ear things inside rather than acetate, which I thought was different. And again, I've used in there some of the sprinkle mixes that I got from Leslie's Sprinkle Club, which I absolutely love. And I love, like, this is like a new thing that people have been doing, which I'm really glad about, because I think, like, in the beginning it was always like, oh no, my sequins aren't moving, my shakers aren't moving. But now it's like a thing where they put like larger pieces. So like I've got these disc pieces and these butterflies, or they're sticking them down so that when it's a shaker, it still looks like it's shaking when it's still upright. Do you know what I mean? So, but you still got like the moving bits as well. I think that's so cool, because it was always a challenge not to shake before it was fully glued. So now it's kind of a thing, which I'm loving. So absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I love the size. And then I've got these. So these are hangers. They can be shakers, and they're also for dangles, and they come in 3 different sizes. I am not great with the dangle making. So this took a while. So I'll just start off with the small one. Let me just use my palm. So as you can see, I just got these 3 gorgeous little clouds. I got them from Cheryl Simone Crafts when I did a order with her at her shop. She was so kind. She always puts in little goodies sometimes in her little thank you card. So sweet. And some of these charms were part of that, so I managed to use some. I stopped hoarding and used. So yeah, and I've used again some of Leslie's little little balls and sprinkles in there. Fit perfectly. And then the medium sized one, I did these big balls. I just thought they matched the paper. Again, like I'm not good at the whole bead wrapping and things like that. It took me absolutely ages. Again, some sprinkles in there. I love this element, and it's thick as well, so it's really good for shaker making. And then this one I did the pom-poms, and oh my gosh, these pom-poms I bought, these are the Violet Studio ones, and they're so hard to put a pin through. I was stabbing it with everything, like Pokey-Toon. Took me ages, but we got there, and I do love how it turned out in the end. I think this is my preferred size, the large one, especially if you want to be gifting dangles. And when KSCraft was showing on her channel, she had these beads, and I've actually, some have arrived, so I did order some more off Ali, and I'll link that where I got them from as well in the description box below. Because I had a look, and they did have them on Amazon. They're just like acrylic alphabets, so you can like spell things out and stuff, and it did look so cool. I had a look on Amazon. They weren't on Amazon, but they were so expensive, and had like the same delivery time as what it would be from Ali, so it didn't really make much sense to my mind. So yeah, so I'm glad they just arrived, so that's why they're still like there in their little bag and not been used. But yeah, I really love those. The next thing that I got was two dies that make up like mini albums. As you can see, I've not used this one yet. This one makes an embellishment book, and I'm going to do a separate video on this one because I want to use this as an actual proper full-on project. But yeah, it's got so many amazing things, and I'll actually link a video of KSCraft doing a tutorial on that one to show off the die as well, so rather than me doing that. And then I have this one, which makes a tag mini album, and it comes with some really cute elements. I did straight away make this book, and to be honest with you, I don't really like it. I just made it on a whim. I was using the Made with Love collection. I just wanted to show like all the different elements, so I'd use the I don't know what, the reinforced bit here, and then I was using these as like where you put the slide thing and the belly band, and I don't know. And then there was this piece that I actually didn't really understand, and then there was this bit that looks like a clip, so you could like grab something like this, and then that would just like slide under like a clip, which is really cool, but I don't know. But yeah, the album I just wasn't feeling. And then this, oh, this was a disaster. I don't know why I was thinking, I just stuck them down. They're peeling off, but you can lay them to make a flower, but my flower just didn't look beautiful, so I was getting really bummed out by this. So then I took a break, and my Down on the Farm Doodlebug Dash arrived, and I have been farmyard crazy, and I decided to make a farmyard one, and it just turned out super amazing. So yeah, I'm really much more happier now with this, and I didn't use all the elements that came with it, but I did use some bits. So I made a pocket here, and then I used the lace trim to go along the top, so that's just like a pocket here. And then I used this cow here, and then because of them the die having the flap there, I was able to like just connect them, so I made a flap that comes out here, and then I've got another pocket here, and then I used some of the paper just to make a little tuck spot on this page there because I wanted to keep it quite flat, and this one is up on some foam, so it's a bit larger. And then turn the page in the middle. I made a little tuck spot that goes up there, and then I made a much wider box here, so there's 1/2 inch box there for something larger, maybe even a tag flip or something. I'm not 100% finished, but I'm finished with the actual album, just the things that I want to add to it. And then it just repeats, so like here again, I've just used one of the elements to make a thick tuck spot. Open it up, use this pocket. I love this page. There, a pocket there, and then at the end a little pocket there. So I didn't actually punch through the holes this time, and the only thing I did use was the lace trim. with the die set, but I just absolutely love this die set. And if you didn't want to use it as an album, it is a really nice size tag as well, and it's got like the layering pieces also. So yeah, I really enjoyed using that this time. So yeah, that is my KSCraft die haul, her new releases for March. Yeah, I'm still absolutely love dies. I have gone back to 3D world as well. I feel a bit more myself, but then I have the odd days where I just feel like but yeah, so happy you could join me today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.